Welcome to Second Look Cancer. In this video, we'll give you a quick overview of the website, highlight its main tools and features, and show you how to use them. So this is your dashboard page. On the left, you have your clinical trial roadmap. This is where you can update your profile, manually explore all trials, or use your AI matching. You can save and share trials with your oncologist, and you can also track all your clinical trial applications if you're at that stage. So the first thing you're going to do when you get to our platform is complete your profile. So you can either click this button or this one. This is your profile page. Your profile is the foundation of how Second Look Cancer really works. So by filling it out, the app automatically filters out any trials that don't apply to you. So for example, if your profile says you live in New York and are open to US trials only, Second Look will hide trials outside of America. Or for example, if you're stage 4, you won't see trials meant for earlier cancer stages. Most questions in your profile are simple and based on information most patients already know. If you're unsure of a specific question, you can just click unsure. The system will keep those filters open so you don't miss any potential trials. For best accuracy, ask your oncologist about any unsure fields and update your profile later. Every time you click the next button, you will see your available trials refresh with updated information of how many trials you are potentially applicable for. You can come back to this page to update your profile with new information anytime or anytime your situation changes. Explore trials. This is the Explore Trials page. Generally, when you click on this, your profile will already have the filter turned on. If you just want to explore all trials, you can simply just turn this off and you will see all trials, and you can filter depending on location, biomarkers, the trial's phase, or a specific type of intervention, all from the filter sidebar. Each trial appears in a set of 3 boxes. The official trial information, including NCT number and relevant locations that are based on your profile's location. The how this treatment works, which is all AI generated. The first part is a patient-friendly, simple explanation of how this treatment works. When you expand the card, there is additional information that is more in-depth, focusing on how the science works. And then there's the latest readouts and results. This card is also AI generated. The AI searches the web for any information on results or readouts associated with the therapy or drug. The idea of this was that you can see all the important information right in the Second Look platform rather than having to leave the page to do additional research. To save a trial for later, click the heart icon. All your saved trials will appear under Save Trials in the top menu. We'll explore that section later. So this is the AI matching page. The AI matching feature takes your profile and reviews all applicable trials using advanced AI. It then provides a personalized list that best fit your profile based on its ranking system. Let's do a breakdown of what you're actually seeing on this page. The first is why this trial matches your profile. This is relatively straightforward, but this is an AI explanation of the reasoning behind why they matched you into this trial. What do the drugs therapy do, and science breakdown is the exact same as what you'll see on the Explore Trials page, but it's a simple breakdown of what the drugs or therapy does, and then a more scientific breakdown. The next 2 parts, the detailed description and view eligibility requirements, these are straight from the actual trial listing. These aren't AI generated. They're just good information to have associated with the trial. Last section on the left is the therapy's latest readouts and results. Again, this is the exact same thing that's on the Explore Trials page, and it's an AI that searches the web for any results or readouts associated with the drug that's being used or the procedure on this trial. And then last but not least, you have Second Look's match analysis. So this is how the AI is actually coming up with how it's ranking your match, which ranks each trial based on 4 key pillars. You have the biomarker strategy, which looks at how closely your biomarkers align with the trial. The treatment fit, which prioritizes treatments you haven't tried yet over ones that you have. Scientific evidence ranks trials higher if they have published data. And logistical ease rewards trials that are less invasive or do not require as many visits to the hospital. All 4 factors combine into an overall match score, ranking your trials from strongest to weakest. So the Save Trials page. To save a trial, just click the heart icon wherever you see it. You can do this from the Explore Trials page, the AI matching page, or the individual trial listing pages. The other feature on the Save Trial page is to share trials with your oncologist. First, you select all the trials you want to send to your oncologist. Then you enter your oncologist's name and email, and you can also add a short message. In step 3, you'll see a preview of the email before you send it. You can also download a preview of the PDF that will be sent to your oncologist to either keep it for your records or to review it prior to sending. Your own email address will also be copied on the email, so you have a record of what was sent. Trial Application Tracker. If you have started applying to trials, the Trial Application Tracker helps you keep everything organized in one place. To use it, make sure the trial is saved into your saved trials. Then, import it into the tracker, choose the site you contacted and update its status or add notes. As your trial application progresses, you can update the status using the edit button. This page is a manual process intended for your own tracking of trials. Second Look is not linked to your email and will not automatically update on its own. Notification settings. Clinical trials are constantly changing. There's new trials that launch every week and new sites that open for existing trials. With notifications, you'll be alerted the same day a new trial opens near your location or a site is added for one of your saved trials. This gives you a major advantage, helping you apply early and secure a spot before the trial fills up. You can update the type of notifications you want to receive on this page. Second Look's mission is to make it easier for patients to find their best trial. While you explore the website, if you have any feedback, good or bad, please share it with support@secondlookcancer.com.